Camera action.
All right.
You're never gonna find it, man.
Don't worry,
My
Mr.
uncle's gonna lose his job, and he's gonna have to come live with us in the mystery machine. Oh, he's too tall. He won't fit.
Don't worry, Mr. Rogers. We'll find a face at Imhotep, I'm sure. And even if not, I'm sure you can find another job in another museum.
Freddy! I'm sorry, Mr. Rogers. What Freddy meant to say is that your job here is safe. When you find the mask, I'm sure, Dr. Chamberlain, we'll have a huge rededication to the Egyptian Museum. Or exhibit. Why, it might be even better than ever.
Yes, you can call it a second look at the face of
What? I'm confused.
Where's the script?
If we can find it. Like lots of things get rededicated. It's like leftovers, just made new again. Yeah. Well, I don't know what leftovers are, but you know, marriages, restaurants, even the nation of Israel was rededicated to God, man, at Gilgal. After the men of military age, they all died.
How do you know all that?
I don't know, dude. It's just right here on the paper. Okay? Do you want to hear about that, Uncle Henry?
Oh, yeah.